Today we're making steamed meatballs, a very famous dish in Mauritius. It's also called boulet la viande. I'm Saloni. If you're new to my kitchen, welcome. So, steamed meatballs is very easy to make. What's great about it is that it can be served as an appetizer, or you can have it with your noodles, whether it is steamed noodles or boiled noodles. So let's get started. I'm ready with my apron and my ingredients. Let's go. I hope you enjoy making and eating these steamed meatballs. Remember to let me know how they turned out and feel free to share any of your tips and tricks in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.